All right, so let's do a few more examples for 8E. This will be the third video. So again, remember we're going to be looking for standard form, then the GCF, and then we're going to count the terms. So is this example in standard form? No, because my exponents are backwards. So I'm going to carefully, this time try to do better than the first time, rearrange. So I'm going to do negative 5m to the fifth. Then we'll do this negative 40 m to the third and a positive 45 m. All right, so we rearrange it so it's in standard form. I'm going to double check my signs this time. Good. And then I'm going to look for a GCF. I see my leading term is negative, so I need to take out a negative. Looks like 5 goes into everything, and there is an m in all three terms. So I'm going to take out an m. So negative 5m. So negative gives me a positive. This will be m to the fourth. Negative gives me a positive 8. M cubed over m is m to the squared. Positive over negative is negative. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And then the m's cancel each other. So I factored out the GCF. It's factored now. So I want to look at what's left over, count the terms, 1, 2, 3. And if I have 3 terms, I'm going to do the AC method. So my A is 1, my C is negative 9. So AC is negative 9. So I can use a 1 and a 9, what's that, 3 and a 3. If it's negative, then I need to have one of these signs negative. So I wanted to add up to positive 8, and this does indeed add up to a positive 8. So I'm going to rewrite, and again, this negative 5m is just going to stay here, and I'm going to just deal with this over here next. So I'll have m to the fourth, and then minus m to the second. Notice that that's what that variable is, and then plus 9 m to the second minus 9. So here's my minus 1 and my plus 9, and then m to the second from this right here. All right, so 4 terms, group 2. And the first 2, m squared comes out, and that leaves me with m to the second minus 1. There's a plus sign in the middle, so I'll put plus sign here. These are both 9, so I take out a 9. That leaves me with m squared, and negative divided by positive is negative 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. All right, so then I see that I do have the 2 parentheses the same. So that means I'm going to have then m squared minus 1 times m squared plus 9. Finally, again, it's factored. Now I have 3 factors. Technically, I guess 4. And then I'm going to look and see this is the difference of squares. And so I'll have negative 5m. I'll break that up into m plus minus 1, 1. And then this last one is plus. So it is not the difference of squares. And there's my answer right there. Right, I'm going to let y'all do E for the video check, and then I will do F. All right, so here I'm going to look to see if it's in standard form. I have a lot of A's and B's, so I'm going to choose the A. I see it's A to the third, A to the second, a single A, so it is in standard form. Does it have a GCF? Oh, they all 3 have an A, and they all 3 have a B. So I'm going to take out AB. As far as the numbers are concerned, nothing's in common. And that's going to leave me with 5. A cubed over A is A squared. B's cancel. Plus 12. A squared over A is A. B squared over B is B. Plus 4. A over A cancels. B to the third over B is B to the second. So I have this. Now I'm going to count the terms. There's 1, 2, 3 terms. And if I have 3 terms, I do the AC method. So this time my A is 5, and my C is 4. So AC then is 5 times 4, which is 20. So I get 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. These all multiply to be positive 20, and I want to choose one that adds to be 12. So 2 and 10 add to be 12. So I'm going to rewrite. So again, my AB will just stay right there. I'm going to rewrite this middle term. So I have 5A squared plus 2AB, notice that matches, plus 10AB. So those two add up to 12AB, and then plus 4B squared. Now that I have 4 terms, I'm going to group. And then, let's see, these first two have a common factor of A. That leaves me with 5A plus 2B. Third sign is a plus. I'm going to put a plus right here. Okay, then the next two have a common factor of 2 and a B. And that's going to leave me with 5A. So 10AB over 2, that's 5A. And positive, positive gives me positive. 4 divided by 2 is 2. B squared over B is B. And then I see my two parentheses are the same. So when I rewrite it, I'm going to have 5A plus 2B times A plus 2B. Take one last look. Is either one of these the difference of squares? No. So I am finished. I've factored as far as I could.